My dear students, welcome back to our online classes. A special thanks to the freshers who have admitted themselves in our college named Fazl Ali Mullah Degree College. So, dear learners, you are welcome from our bottom of our hearts to admit yourself in our college. I am your English teacher, myself Ibn Sadid, lecturer in English, Fazl Ali Mullah Degree College. Dear students, in the very beginning of my lecture, I would like to convey the message that I am going to teach you today. Dear learners, I have come before you today on online, and this is because I would like to teach you a passage, and the passage will have 10 marks, and the item of the passage is a flowchart. I will discuss what is a flowchart after reading out a passage. Before going through the class, I would like to give you the title of the passage. Dear students, I am going to read out a passage on Unit 9, and the lesson of the passage is 1, and it is basically for the students of HSC first year. Dear students, for completing the class, you will have in your hands this book. The name of the book EFT, or English for Today, and this book will help you to go through the class. Dear learners, the name of the unit is Diaspora, and I would like to read out the passage for your better understanding with the meaning, Bengali meaning. Dear students, please follow me to get the answer of the question. Before reading out the question, I would like to read out the question for which we are going to read the passage. Look at the question. Read the passage and make a flowchart showing the important diasporas of the world and their causes. And if I read out the passage, we will get the answer automatically if you follow the class. Dear learners, let's begin our passage. The term diaspora is used to refer to people who have left their homelands and settled in other parts of the world, either because they were forced to do so or because they wanted to live on their own. The meaning of the sentence is, ডায়াসপোরা ওই শব্দটাকেই নির্দেশ করছে, বা ডায়াসপোরা একটা টার্ম যেটা নির্দেশ করে ওই সমস্ত লোকজনদেরকে যারা তাদের মাতৃভূমি ত্যাগ করেছে এবং পৃথিবীর অন্যান্য অংশে গিয়ে তারা বসবাস শুরু করেছে। হতে পারে তারা এটার জন্য বাধ্য হয়েছে যেতে, অথবা তারা স্বেচ্ছায় গিয়েছে। The word is increasingly used for such people as a collective group or a community. এটা ওই সমস্ত লোকজনদেরকে নির্দেশ করে যারা দলগতভাবে গিয়েছে অথবা তার একটা শ্রেণী চলে গিয়েছে। The world has seen many diasporas, but scholars have been studying the phenomenon with great interest only in the recent decades. পৃথিবী অনেক ডায়াসপোরা দেখেছে, কিন্তু বিশেষজ্ঞরা এই বিষয়টি নিয়ে অনেক গবেষণা করছে সাম্প্রতিক দশকগুলোতে। Among the great diasporas of history, that is the Jewish people. অনেকগুলো অভিবাসন, ডায়াসপোরা মিন্স অভিবাসনগুলোর মধ্যে জিউসদের ডায়াসপোরার ইতিহাসের অন্যতম, who were forced to leave their lands in ancient times, যাদেরকে প্রাচীন সময়ে তাদের মাতৃভূমি ত্যাগ করতে বাধ্য করা হয়েছিল। The movement of Aryans from Central Europe to the Indian subcontinent thousands of years ago is also a noteworthy diaspora. আরিয়ানদের চলে আসাটা ইউরোপ থেকে ইন্ডিয়ান উপমহাদেশে, সেটাও শত বছর আগে, সেটাও হচ্ছে একটা উল্লেখযোগ্য ডায়াসপোরা। Although the causes of this diaspora are unclear, যদিও এই অভিবাসনের কারণটা অপরিষ্কার। In 20th century history, the Palestinian diaspora has attracted a lot of attention. বিংশ শতাব্দীর ইতিহাসে ফিলিস্তিনিদের যে অভিবাসন সেটা অনেকের মনোযোগ আকর্ষণ করেছে, and been a cause of concern for world leaders, এবং এটা উদ্বিগ্নের বিষয় হয়েছে বিশ্ব নেতাদের, of the plight of Palestinians, ফিলিস্তিনিদের দুর্দশা বা অভিযোগের কারণে। There have been massive diasporas in Africa too. আফ্রিকাতেও অনেক বড় বড় অভিবাসন হয়েছে over the centuries, শতাব্দীর পর শতাব্দী ধরে, either because of war, এটা হতে পারে যুদ্ধের কারণে, or because of the ravages of nature, অথবা প্রাকৃতিক দুর্যোগের কারণে। But the chief reason why the phenomenon of diaspora is attracting so much attention now is globalization. কিন্তু এই অভিবাসন বিষয়টা অনেক বেশি মনোযোগ আকর্ষণ করেছে, কারণটা হচ্ছে বিশ্বায়ন। So this is all about the passage. I hope you have understood the passage and you have got the answer automatically, because the question is on the names of the diasporas and their causes. So how to make a flow chart? How to make a flow chart? This is the question from you, I think. So it is very easy to make a flow chart. Remember one thing, there will be 6 tables for the questions, and one will be done for you, and the rest of the 5 you will have to fill up with your answers. So how will you fill up the tables? So you will have to remember some points to make a flowchart. Number 1, you cannot write a sentence in a flowchart. The answer should be given in the list. You will have to avoid verbs, and you can make the verb in the infinitive or present participle or past participle. Even you can answer through writing phrases. So these are the things that you have to follow. So I have mentioned one name here, as the question demands the names of the diaspora. So I have already written a name of the diaspora, and the name of the diaspora is Jewish diaspora. What was the reason? The reason they were forced to leave their land. That means I can write leave their lands. That means they have left their land because of forcing of others. The third one is you can write another name of a diaspora, and the name of the diaspora is Palestinian diaspora. Diaspora. What is the reason of that? The reason was the plight of Palestinian. Number 5, The next is African diaspora. The reason is ravages of nature. So this is the way you will have to make a flow chart. Look at the charts here. I have written the name of a diaspora, then I have mentioned the region. Again I have named the diaspora, then the region. Again I have named the diaspora and the region of the diaspora. So I hope dear students, you have come to understand, you have understood the idea that I am going to give you, and I think you have learned it properly. So to make a flow chart, you will have to follow this way. Remember one thing, you can write the charts vertically. You can come like this, no problem. You will be given marks. So if you complete the passages in this way, then you will get 10 marks out of 10, I think. So dear learners, that's all for today. I hope this lesson will, or this lecture will help you to solve how to make a flowchart, and this is one of the demos of writing a flowchart. Thanks a lot, and it is very pathetic for us that we are not in our formal classes. That's why we have come here virtually on the basis of online. So we hope we will soon meet in our classes, and see you soon. Thank you very much for attending my class. Thanks a lot.